You should first know the full form of IDBI Bank. Now, it was established in the year 1964 under Act of Parliament to provide credit and other financial facilities to Indian industries. Basically, Indian industries needed support in the form of loans, in the form of payments, for other types of financial support, and it was with this purpose that this bank was started. So its present chairman and MD is Mr. M.S. Raghavan. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. And whenever you study any bank, please make sure that you know its tagline, the recent tagline and one or two old famous taglines. They are often asked in exams. So the two taglines you should know for IDBI, one is banking for all, and in Hindi, आओ सोचें बड़ा. One in Hindi, one in English. So it is an Indian government owned financial service company. That means it's a public sector enterprise. And it is one among the 27 commercial banks owned by the Indian government. So it is the 10th largest development bank in the world. So it has 3,000 ATMs, almost 1750 branches, including a branch in Dubai. It has almost 1,300 centers, including in Singapore and Beijing. So that shows the the extent of this bank. And it is IDBI is equivalent to the SBI group as far as government ownership is considered. This is an important point. So at the time of establishment, IDBI was an owned subsidiary of RBI. In 1976, its ownership was transferred to the government to engage in financing, promoting and developing industries. So ये एक important point है कि जब IDBI बना था तो वो RBI के अंडर था. It was a subsidiary, it was a branch of RBI, but 1976 के अंदर it was transferred, its ownership was transferred to Government of India. तो IDBI की मदद से बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस बने हैं, जैसे सेबी, सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, नेशनल सिक्योरिटीज डिपॉजिटरी लिमिटेड, SHCIL, क्रेडिट एनालिसिस, एक्सिम बैंक, स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. SIDBI इज बिकॉज ऑफ IDBI. और SIDBI इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि वेरी रिसेंटली SIDBI ने बनाया है मुद्रा बैंक. मुद्रा बैंक विल बी अंडर SIDBI. दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज, लघु उद्योग जिन्हें हिंदी में बोलते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया विच इज EDI. So a committee formed by RBI with chairman S.H. Khan recommended the transfer of IDBI from a development bank to a commercial bank. So as things stand, IDBI is a commercial bank. And with the Industrial Development Bank Act of 2013, IDBI became IDBI Limited. So this is the Transfer of Undertaking and Repeat Act of 2013. So in September 2004, RBI incorporated IDBI as scheduled bank under RBI Act of 1934. So it is a scheduled bank now. Next, in 2006, IDBI increased its number of branches from 195 to 425 with the acquisition of United Western Bank, Satara. So don't forget this name, United Western Bank, Satara. It acquired this bank. Next, this is probably the most important table which you should know. IDBI में किसका कितना हिस्सा है? How much does government own in IDBI? So Government of India का stake है 76.72% और इनके 4 लाख पब्लिक शेयर्स हैं जो शेयर होल्डर्स के पास हैं, जिनका टोटल सम होता है 8.75% is owned by 4 lakh public shareholders. एंड इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ने स्टेक है इसका 12.32%, which is owned by insurance companies, and others is close to 7%. So it's always good to know some recent awards. So in May 2013, it was ranked as 11, 19, 7th in Forbes Global 2000 companies. In 2011, it received overall Best Bank and Best Public Sector Bank Award, the DUN and Bank Street Banking Awards. And in 2011, it also received Banking Technology Award from Indian Banks Association for the best use of business intelligence and risk management technology.